Good day and welcome. Something very special again today. So we have Invar watch. It's a Swiss watch manufacturer. In 1904, the manufacturer Compagnie de Montres Invar Fils and de Achille Hirsch Co, other name was C.M.I, was launched. The Invar brand was registered afterwards in 1925. So they launched the company in 1904, but this particular brand Invar was registered in 1925. The company was based in Chaux-de-Fonds, and this company later became the watch brand called Driva Watch Company. What is interesting, this company has been awarded several patents in 1903, 1904, 1909, 1911, so there was quite a few patents, so the innovation was a part of activity of this company. But let me introduce this particular watch. So this is Invar C.M.I Galonne, open face. The estimation year is 1915 to 1930. Let me open this watch so you can see it. The condition of the watch is good, so I will give it probably from 0 to 10 around 7.5 to 8.5. As you can see, there is quite a few medals as well available. So as I said, guys was very active with the patenting. And this is a silver watch. Silver is 0.8. The 53mm watch. The manufacturer number is 29896 and with 15 jewels. Let me open to show you the moment. Oh yes, oh yes, look at this beauty. So the case number here is B270037. Of course, water resistance is 0 and it's acrylic glass. The dial is white, as you saw. Yeah, I'm going to show soon again the dial. I really like the all details what's been introduced in this particular moment. The finishing. Yeah. So let me close this a little bit. Super. So Arabic numbers, large, 12 hours dial, easy to read. The condition of the watch, as I already mentioned, is very good. The price for this watch, if you can find this on the market, it's quite high. It's between 275 and 350 euros. But it's definitely something that I would also recommend to have, as it's a piece of history and it's not very often available on the market in good shape. But I would definitely also recommend to go online and read about Invar material, because this is something special and maybe is somehow related to the watch. You can find this by yourself, because this is quite interesting to digging for this information. But otherwise, I'm going to publish some links, but to find information on this particular brand is a challenge. So if you find some additional information, I will be more than happy if you can share with me as well. Well, thank you for your time. I wish you a good day and have a nice time. See you next time.